My name is Nabila Solehah binti Muhammad Shahrizal. I am 12 years old. I am from class 6 Utarik. I study at Sekolah Kebangsaan Sri Wangi II. Today, I want to make egg sandwich. Let's make it. The ingredients are a bread, 2 hard-boiled egg, mayonnaise, black pepper, salad, and salt. First, we need to peel the egg like this. Second, we take a fork and smash the egg. We put mayonnaise, black pepper, and a little bit of salt. Mix well. After that, we spread the egg onto the bread. Lastly, we put a salad. And close it. The sandwich is done. Easy, right? I need help from my sibling to taste my egg sandwich. Come in.
Wow, it looks yummy. Smells so good. So yummy. It's delicious.
Before I end this video, I want to advise you guys to stay at home and don't play outside. And happy Eid Mubarak! Even this year I'm not sad like last year, but we still can be happy with family and we can video call, right? That's all from me. I hope you enjoyed my video. Bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.